Philips Ambilight 7800 series Quantum.TV. Main features are display technology, 4K QLED Quantum.LED for vibrant colors, enhanced brightness, and contrast. Ambilight typically features three-sided Ambilight. Processor likely equipped with Philips Pixel Precise Ultra HD engine for optimized picture quality, sharpness, color, contrast, and smooth motion. Some models in this range for 2025 may feature the more advanced P5 Perfect Picture engine. HDR support supports multiple HDR formats, including Dolby Vision, HDR10 plus HR10, and HLG Hybrid Log Gamma for enhanced detail and dynamic range. Smart TV platform features Titan OS, Philips' latest smart TV platform, offering access to various streaming apps. Refresh rate. The panel's native refresh rate is typically 60 AG, but some models might feature perfect motion rate, PMR 120 for smoother motion handling, especially beneficial for fast-paced content. Audio features Dolby Atmos for immersive, three-dimensional sound. Output power is usually around 20 W with a two-speaker configuration. Some models may include AI sound, clear dialogue, Dolby Bass enhancement, and vocal boost for an enhanced audio experience. Connectivity includes multiple HDMI ports, likely at least 3, with Earson HDMI, USB ports, likely 2, Wi-Fi, dual-band Bluetooth version 4.2 or 5.2, a 2 or TAL and optical digital audio out and a headphone out.